Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This 7.2-acre resort sits at the edge of a lagoon with breathtaking mountain and sea views, 14 rooms with AC and ceiling fans, hot water, phone and cable TV. One suite includes kitchen and jacuzzi, 11 additional rooms, 75% complete, 2 air-conditioned lobbies, 2 large air-conditioned conference rooms, the pool bar, and poolside dining are fully equipped. Wastewater is harvested and used to water lawns. Solar water heaters, 2 backup generators, and backup water supply. Green space for entertaining, including gazebo, bar and snack counter with washroom facilities. With 2 complimentary boats, a 6-minute boat ride across the lagoon takes you to a new adventure to the beach. Plenty of room for expansion. Guys, let's take a look at this property, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this property is US 1.8 million or Jamaican $277 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.